Yeah. Savage77, yeah. Shut the fuck up. I wanna get nightmares, not a pleasure dream, yeah. I don't wanna sleep with nobody. I don't feel like cuddling with nobody, yeah. I just wanna sleep by myself. Sleeping by myself is my fucking favorite, yeah. I just have the fucking nerves to watch something suspicious while I go to fucking sleep, yeah. Shut the hell up. Let me go to sleep. I just wanna go to sleep, yeah. I don't do no drugs. I wanna try them though. Shut the fuck up, yeah. I have the nerve to watch something suspicious before I go to fucking sleep. I wanna get a nightmare so bad, yeah. I don't wanna sleep well. I don't mean to say it weird, little bitch ass way, but I don't wanna sleep weird, yeah. I wanna sleep. I wanna have suspicious dreams. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Yeah, shut your bitch ass up, yeah. These niggas don't need no sympathy from me, yeah. I just want to listen to some suspicious too before I go to sleep, yeah. I just love worrying people because I love feeling off. I hate it when women fucking compliment me. I hate it when people fucking compliment me. If I could smack the shit out of them. I don't wanna sleep well. I don't wanna sleep well. I don't feel like sleeping well. Like at all. Yeah. I'ma put an AK to your face. I'ma put an AK to your fucking face. Yeah. I just wanna smack the shit out you. Yeah. Shut your bitch ass up. Shut your bitch ass up. Yeah. Yeah. I don't do no Illuminati shit. I just post a lot of shit on fucking social media. Well, not really. Yeah, I post a lot of my acting videos. I post a lot of my skits. Yeah. Yeah. These niggas are a waste of fucking time. These bitches are a waste of fucking time. Yeah. Do drugs for love, baby. I didn't want to try drugs to see if I sleep weird. Yeah. I love sleeping weird. I love sleeping in a suspicious way.